Today we're looking into the story of Brendt Christensen, a former graduate student whose name became widely known after one of the most disturbing criminal cases in recent US history. What began as a missing person case quickly turned into a national and international tragedy that shocked communities across the world. Years later, many are still asking, where is Brendt Christensen now? Let's find out. The case dates back to June 2017, when Chinese visiting scholar Ying Zhang disappeared near the University of Illinois. Investigators later discovered that Christensen had lured her into his car under false pretenses before taking her to his apartment, where she was tragically murdered. The case gained massive attention due to its disturbing details and the fact that Zhang's body has never been recovered, leaving her family without closure. During the trial, prosecutors presented overwhelming evidence, including recorded conversations in which Christensen admitted to the crime. In July 2019, he was found guilty of kidnapping resulting in death, along with additional charges of lying to federal investigators. Although prosecutors sought the death penalty, the jury could not reach a unanimous decision. As a result, the judge sentenced him to life in prison without the possibility of parole, ensuring he will spend the rest of his life behind bars. So, where is Brendt Christensen now? As of now, Brendt Christensen is serving his life sentence in the U.S. federal prison system, specifically at USP Thompson in Illinois. He is held in a high-security penitentiary where he will remain incarcerated for the rest of his life with no chance of release. His case continues to be remembered not only for the crime itself, but also for the unanswered questions, especially the location of Ying Zhang's remains, which has never been revealed. From a promising academic path to a life behind prison walls, Brendt Christensen's story stands as a chilling reminder of how quickly a single act can destroy multiple lives. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.